I'm on some shit like, no, I do what I want. No, I do what I want. No, I do.
What's up, guys? Trayvon Bell back with another video. So, we were just on the bus, right? I was coming home from school because I'm only 13. And there was this car crash. There was a car and a cop car. And literally, it just happened. I just got off at my stop over there, as y'all can see. And I was so scared that they would get arrested, but they got off with a warning. I was on the bus, and like they were old people, like around 60 or 70 years old. I couldn't tell because they were in the front seat, and the woman was carrying a cane. So I had to guess at least that. And I hope that your family and friends drive safely. Even if you drive safely. Don't speed. Don't do anything. Just try to drive slow. Stay under the limit as possible as you can. Like probably about 5 under the limit. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.